Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to my 26th October 2024 IELTS test prediction video. Well guys, it's a global prediction, and this prediction is for academic as well as for general training IELTS, and my prediction is based on my many years experience, so I can guide you well. Otherwise, nobody knows what is going to happen in actual exam. Right? I can only guide you about it. Before we go into prediction, let me tell you, I have recently, compiled a book on speaking. So this book is going to help you with your speaking module if you need to get the book. And otherwise, we have study plan for 26th October IELTS exam for both academic as well as general training. The study plan is available at a little administrative cost. If you want to get the study plan or speaking book, you can contact us on WhatsApp and I'll give you further details. Well guys, 26th October IELTS test is both academic and general training, and as per my prediction, the test is gonna be from easy to moderate, right? Listening is gonna be pretty unusual. If you want to see the pattern of listening beforehand, just focus Cambridge IELTS books 19, 18 and 17. That's it. The pattern that we have there, like part 1, 2, 3, 4, in actual exam, you will find something similar. Let me tell you, nothing will come from these books. All 19 books, Cambridge IELTS books, nothing is going to come from these books, but the pattern is gonna be similar. Part 1, questions like one word and or a number, and there will be a smooth dialogue where you will be able to find all 10 answers if you crack the word which is given before the blank. Cracking the word means if you know the synonym of that word, paraphrasing of that word, you can easily find the answer. Okay, in the study plan, I have solved full listening tests along with screen share, full reading tests along with screen share, so they can actually help you prepare for your exam. And if you have completed your all preparation for 26th October exam, or if you have not even started your preparation, in both cases, it's going to help you. Listening part 2 is for multiple choice questions, single or double. Along with that, there may be a map. Chances are for map, and if there is no map, then there will be simple matching type of questions. As far as listening part 3 is concerned, questions like multiple choice, single or double, then matching. And by the way, part 3 is educational, and part 3 of IELTS listening on 26th October is going to be the elephant of IELTS listening. Get ready for that. Same books, 19, 18, 17, just focus part 3 there, because part 3 is the part where students mostly get stuck. Okay, that's important. Then as far as part 4 is concerned, it's gonna be straightforward. There'll be a lecture, okay, or a presentation, and question type is one word only. Whatever is written before the blank or after the blank, there are certain techniques which I have elaborated in my study plan. So these techniques will help you get 10 by 10, especially if your target band is 7 or above in listening. Most definitely these things are going to help you. And even my videos are readily available on YouTube. You may watch them as well. Now let's talk about reading. Academic reading part 1, questions like sentence completion and true false not given. When you get sentence completion and true false not given, both are type A questions. Type A means questions and their answers are in order. Now if you don't know what type of questions are type A, what type of questions are type B, you can solve some tests with me through the study plan where there is the screen share, and I have solved full test 40 by 40. It can help you understand IELTS reading. Start with sentence completion, and then you can go on with true false not given. Academic reading part 2, questions like which paragraph contains the following information, multiple choice questions, list of headings, and sentence completion. Okay, and again books like 19, 18, 17 academic, they're gonna be very helpful. Now let's talk about academic reading part 3. In part 3, questions like matching, yes, no, not given, summary completion with or without a box. These question types are important, okay? Now, after that, we talk about general training reading. General training reading part 1 and part 2, they're going to be super easy peasy. If your English level is up to intermediate, you will not find any difficulty. In part 1, questions like which paragraph contains the following information plus true false not given or sentence completion. In part 2, questions like sentence completion along with true false not given or sentence completion plus sentence completion. And in part 3, general training reading, most important question types are list of headings, multiple choice questions, matching, summary completion and yes, no, not given. So in order to practice, please focus Cambridge IELTS books 19, 18 and 17. We have a separate study plan for general training IELTS candidates. So if you want to prepare in 3 to 4 days, this study plan is gonna help you with that. Now let's talk about writing module. As far as writing task 2 is concerned, for general training, I would advise you to focus more on discussion essay, and for academic, I would advise you to focus more on opinion essay. How to write opinion essay, what type of essays are opinion and all that. In the study plan, I have elaborated each and everything very, very well, and we have 4 lessons on writing, separate lessons on academic as well as on general training. These 4 lessons will prepare you, you will get ready for 4 types of essays, 4 types of reports and 3 types of letters. Now, let's go on and we talk about writing task 1. Writing task 1 for general training IELTS candidates, as per my prediction, more chances are for formal letter, but as I am making a global prediction, so you can prepare informal and formal, both, okay. In the study plan, there is a book and that book will give you phrases, sentences and the pattern of formal versus informal letter, and you can just write your letters very comfortably. There are some sample answers as well. These sample answers will help you further. Now, let's talk about academic writing task 1. According to my prediction, there are chances for a process diagram or otherwise it can be a graph with a trend. Okay, but as I am making global predictions, so you may prepare for a graph with trends and comparative graphs as well. Now, if you don't know the difference between a comparative graph or graph with trend or process diagram or maps, you need to get the study plan and then you can prepare all 4 types of reports and you will be ready for that, okay, along with the handouts. Let me tell you, overall 26th October exam is going to be moderate. For some students, it's going to be easy. For some students, it may be little difficult just because of reading and because of listening, but otherwise overall the test is going to be fine. We have this speaking book which is going to help you with your IELTS speaking exam. This speaking book contains the topics which are the hot topics. There are cue cards which are the hot cue cards. You are highly likely to get speaking part 1 and part 2 from that book. So if you want to get any of these things, our WhatsApp numbers are given, you can contact us on that. We have IELTS speaking crash course by one of our certified IELTS trainers. Okay, so if you want to have one-on-one interaction and you want to practice your speaking, you can join our IELTS speaking crash course as well. Thank you so much, guys. That's all. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. We offer IELTS test booking service. We offer PTE online classes. Okay, we have study plans for IELTS exams. We offer IELTS writing preparation and we offer single module preparation as well. We've got so many things about IELTS. So if you want to get any of these services, our WhatsApp numbers are given. You can contact us on that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.